Hey guys, in this video, we are going to show you 5 best mini drone you can buy right now. I made this list based on my personal opinion, research and the popularity of the product. Flying drone is one of the coolest things you can do. We all have friends or know strangers who love to play with their drones. You might want one for yourself but cannot afford to buy those expensive drones. Or as a parent you want to buy the drone for your children as a gift, then you come to the right place. If you want to buy one of these products or want to check updated price of any product, you can check the links in the description. So let's get started. The fifth product in our list is Hollystone HS 190 foldable mini nano RC drone. This is a great little drone. Another winner from Hollystone, incredible technology in a tiny fun package. The description says that this is a drone for the kids, and so it is. Even if the kid happens to be nearly 60, it is easy to fly with the altitude hold function which keeps it set at whatever height you want. Headless mode is good for new pilots. You don't have to pay much attention to which way the drone is headed, so forward is always away from you and back is always towards you. Right is always right and left is always left. Once you have got the flight mechanics masters in headless mode, you can free yourself by turning that feature off. Now you can move around, turn in circles and fly your drone anywhere, but you have to keep track of which way the nose of the drone is headed. This is not too hard because the nose has a bright white LED light and red and blue LED underneath on the sides. You just have to remember that when the white light is facing you, the controls are reversed. Forward, bring it closer. The back will move it further away. Right moves it to your left and left will move it to your right. Once you get used to that, you may never go back to the headless mode because it is so much more fun when you don't have to stay in one place. The fourth product in our list is Hollystone HS 150 Bolt B Mini Racing Drone RC Quadcopter. This mini drone is extremely fast, high power motors for quick acceleration, achieve 50 km/h, high speed within seconds, giving a more immersive experience. Great entry-level racing drone. Fly your drone and get into the new sport right now. It has a bonus batteries that can double the flying time. Comes with 2 pieces of modular leap-on battery. High performance, double your quadcopter flight time. Functional modular design, easy to be installed and stored, suitable for pilots of any level. Besides, it has a perfect 3D rolling. Implement various flight movements and continuous roll for wonderful action. It can do a flip in 4 ways, flip, left, right, forward, backward, surprise your friends. Moreover, it is also equipped with headless mode for beginners. Orientation of the drone is a relation to the pilot. Easier to control and fly back when the drone is out of sight. You will have to control for a straightforward flying experience. 2.4 GHz 6-axis gyro stability. Offers excellent stability and extends control distance for the better handling. Allows several models to be played at the same time without interference. The third product on our list is Alveoli Mini Foldable RC Drone FPV 2.4 GHz 6-axis gyro. This mini toy drone is not only cute and fun to play with but also very portable since I can carry it in my pocket. The remote control needs 3 AA batteries to operate. The phone can be mounted on the remote control. The BJ UFO app is needed for taking photos, videos and for other tricks. It's very easy to install and it came with other accessories. The takeoff and landing use the same key, so it's really not complicated to control its flight. Although the picture and video are not as clear as the other drones with higher resolution, but more expensive than this one. I suggest to always use the propeller guards to avoid damages and scratches in case it crashes on rough walls. This is a good birthday gift for boys and girls who are willing to learn how to fly a drone. The second product in our list is Hollystone HS 170 Predator Mini RC Helicopter Drone. The Hollystone HS 170 has a headless security system, which enables players of any level to fly the drone easily. Especially if you are the beginner and do not want to waste a lot of money on the drone that you might later destroy because of your lack of skills, then this one is the best for you. Besides, this Hollystone HS 170 Predator Mini RC Helicopter Drone is equipped with 2.4 GHz technology adopted for anti-interference, which makes it one of the best drone out there. In addition, this Hollystone HS-170 Predator mini RC helicopter drone has a more stable and flexible with 6-axis gyro stabilization system, so you can easily fly it wherever you want to. Plus, this Hollystone HS-170 Predator mini RC helicopter drone is rated for its good performance of wind-resistant control range, about 30 to 50 meters. For the flight time, it has about 6 to 8 minutes and the charging time about 45 to 60. The number one product in our list is Hollystone HS-170 G-Night L1 Mini RC quadcopter drone. This drone requires only one press to start and land. It is specially designed to convenience to make the drone engine and motor start by simply pressing the button, which will prove a safer flight especially for beginners and children. Then push up the throttle stick to let the drone take off according to your flying skill. Press it again, the drone will land steadily. Moreover, this drone also has a 3D flip, which allows you to have the quick and sensitive roll movement and let you feel coolest. The cool flip makes flying interesting. It has a built-in 6-axis gyro that can easily implement various flight movements and 360-degree 4-ways flip, left, right, forward, backward, continuous roll for perfect action and wonderful performance. The outstanding invention of the curvilinear radiant shape combined with a smooth surface of hand-holding feeling. Clean and concise design with black and grey, and few buttons can realize all functions the drone has. Alright guys, this was our today's video. If you find this video helpful for you, then like the video, and if you come to our channel first time, then hit the subscribe button for our amazing upcoming videos. Be sure to check out the links in the description for the updated price of all products discussed in this video. Hope you have a great day and see you soon in the next video.